Hi Lamai, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasha. So if you are new here, my name is Natasha and I'm currently a student in Gold Coast. So I know that one of the biggest questions students have when coming here is how to find a part-time job. So in this video, I'll share my experience working in part-time jobs and the best places to look and how you get hired fast. So if you're planning to come to Gold Coast or just arrived, this video is for you. So let's see most common part-time jobs for students in Gold Coast. So one of the most popular options for students is working in food places like McDonald's, cafes or restaurants. I personally work in a kebab shop and it is a great way to earn while improving customer service skills. And you can expect to make around 25 to 30 per hour, and most of the time you will get free meals, but keep in mind it can be fast paced and tiring during rush hours. Another great option is cleaning jobs like office cleaning, house cleaning, Airbnb cleaning, even university buildings cleaning. So these jobs usually pay around $25 to $35 per hour. You know the best part? Most of the time you work alone and very less customer interaction. But yes, it can be physically demanding. And you can also work in supermarkets like Coles or Woolworths or in the stores inside the shopping malls. So normally these jobs also pay between $25 to $35 per hour. And the benefit is you often get staff discounts, but however, the downside is weekend shifts and standing for longer hours. So another popular options for students is doing the delivery jobs. Like if you have a car or a bike, food delivery with Uber Eats or DoorDash is a flexible way to make money. You earn per delivery. Usually it's around $5 to $25 depending on the distance and the tips. But you have to remember fuel costs and the wear and tears of your vehicle can reduce your earnings. So some students also do picking, packing and lifting jobs in warehouses. The pay is high, around $30 to $35 per hour, but it's physically demanding. So if you don't mind heavy work, that's a good option for you. Alright, now you know the most common part-time jobs in Gold Coast. But how to find a part-time job? So the websites like Seek, Indeed and Jora are great for finding part-time jobs. You have to just type student jobs or casual jobs and you can apply online. And by downloading Uber Eats or the DoorDash app, and you just have to create an account, and when the account is verified, you can start delivering the food. And this is one of the best ways to find a job, especially in hospitality. So you have to print some resumes, walk into the restaurants or cafes, and you have to just ask whether they are hiring. Trust me, many of the small businesses, they don't advertise online, but they hire people who come to their restaurant directly. So the last one is university job portals. Mainly the Griffith University and also the other unis have job portals where students can find part-time work even on the campus. So now let me share my personal experience doing part-time jobs here in Gold Coast. So I started working at a kebab shop soon after I arrived. My job includes making kebabs, serving customers and using the POS system for billing. And at first it was a bit overwhelming, especially during the busy hours. But I got used to it. One good thing, free meals and a fun work environment. I also do cleaning jobs, which I got through an agency and some friend referrals. It's mostly early morning or night shifts, so it doesn't affect my studies. The pay is good, but cleaning isn't easy. You need to be quick, efficient, and you need to be attention to detail. Yes, like if you have some experience cleaning at your home, it's quite easy for you. Alright, before I wrap up the video, let me give you my top tips for getting a part-time job quickly. So the first one, make a simple and well-structured resume. So you have to keep it short and highlight any past experience, even if it's not related. The second one, be confident when applying in person. Walk into places, smile, and introduce yourself properly because employers appreciate a friendly attitude. Third one, apply to multiple jobs. Don't wait for one job. Apply at least 10 to 15 places. The first one, be flexible with your availability. If you can work nights and weekends, you will be hired faster. The fifth one, improve your English communication because good customer service skills increase your chances of getting job in retail or hospitality. So that's all for this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content about student life in Australia. I'll see you in the next video. Take care guys.